Hello students, let us continue with your chapter number 10 with question number 6. Question number 6 is find the sum of the vectors vector A that is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap, vector B that is equal to minus 2I cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap, vector C that is equal to I cap minus 6j cap minus 7k cap. Now students, here we have to add these vectors at vector A plus vector B plus vector C. In that case, what we will do, we will add first all the having unit vector I, means 1 minus 2 plus 1 into I cap plus minus 2 plus 4 minus 6 j cap plus 1 plus 5 minus 7 into k cap. Now students, from here you will get this is 0 I cap, 6 minus 2 minus 8, this is of minus 4 j cap minus k cap. So here this is the answer of question number 6. Let us come with question number 7 students. Find a unit vector, the vector in the direction of vector A that is given you as I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Now students, we have to find out the unit vector, and the formula to find out the unit vector is vector A plus magnitude of vector A. Means here vector A that is equal to I cap j cap plus 2k cap, here is the cap, upon the magnitude of A, means 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 its square having square root. So student, this will come as equal to unit vector A that is equal to I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap upon it is of root 6. So that is equal to 1 by 6 root 1 by 6 I cap plus 1 by root 6 j cap plus 2 by root 6 k cap. So the important thing is there in this question, you must have the knowledge of this formula, how we have to find out the unit vector here students. Students, question number 8 and question number 9, try yourself because both the questions are same. Let us come with the question number 10. Find a vector in the direction of the vector 5I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap having the magnitude as 8 unit. Now student, in this question, first of all we will find out the magnitude of this vector A. If we will name this vector as vector A, that is equal to 5 having square plus into minus 1 having square and 2 having square its square root, 25 plus 1 plus 4, this is equal to root 30. So first we will find out the magnitude of the vector A. Now the unit vector of the vector A that is equal to vector A upon its magnitude. This is equal to 5I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap upon 30 its root, and this will come as equal to 5 upon root 30 I cap minus 1 upon root 30 j cap plus 2 by root 30 k cap. Right students, this is the unit vector. Now in the question it is given to you that the magnitude of having the magnitude, हमें ऐसा एक और यूनिट वेक्टर फाइंड आउट करना है जिसका मैग्नीट्यूड जो है वो 8 यूनिट है. इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे बच्चों, 8 unit vector that is equal to 8 and this vector, that is 5 upon root 30 I cap minus 1 by root 30, this is cap j cap plus 2 by root 30 k cap. ये देखिए इस तरह से. नाउ वी विल मल्टीप्लाई एंड इट विल कम एज 40 by root 30 I cap minus 8 by root 30 j cap plus 16 by root 30 k cap. ये हमारे पास एक ऐसी टेक्निक है बच्चों जिसके द्वारा हम, अगर हमें क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है कि एक ऐसा वेक्टर फाइंड आउट करो इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द गिवन वेक्टर और हैविंग द मैग्नीट्यूड इज़ 8, हम क्या करेंगे, उसका यूनिट वेक्टर निकाल लेंगे. जो उसका यूनिट वेक्टर आएगा उसको जितना उसका मैग्नीट्यूड दिया गया है नए वेक्टर का उसके साथ उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. दिस इज़ आल्सो वन ऑफ द टेक्निक टू फाइंड आउट द अदर वेक्टर लाइक दिस. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज देयर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. In question number 11, students, show that the vector, these two vectors that is given to you, vector A that is equal to 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap, and another vector is given as minus 4i cap plus 6j cap minus 8k cap, they are collinear. Now what we will do in this question, if we have to find out the collinear in the vector B, if you will see that we will take minus 2 as common and inside there this is 2i minus 3j cap minus 2 4s are 8, this is 4k cap, minus 2 I have taken outside. Now what you will see students, this vector B that is equal to minus 2 of vector A. It means B is the scalar multiple of A. Therefore, what you will say? You will say that the vector A and vector B are collinear vector. Question number 12 and question number 13 are same. Let us come with question number 14, students. There is one of the vector that is given I plus j plus k equally inclined to axis OX, OY and OZ. So here is the vector that is given you as the vector R that is equal to I plus j plus k. Now student, it is equally inclined on OX, OY and OZ. This is given here in the question. So what we will do, we will find out the direction ratios, the direction ratio of vector R, that is what, 1, 1, 1. Right students, so we will find out the direction cosine. So direction cosine will come as equal to 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 and 1 by root 3. So now what you will say? You will say that cos alpha that is equal to 1 by root 3, cos beta that is also equal to 1 by root 3 and cos gamma that is also equal to 1 by root 3. This implies that alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, that is equal to cos inverse 1 by root 3, and hence it is proved that the vector R that is equal to I plus j plus k is equally inclined on OX, OY and OZ. This is the solution of this question. Now let us come with question number 15, students. In question number 15, we have to find out that the position vector of R which divide the line joining to the 2 point. One point is given as, students, I plus 2j minus k, and the q vector that is minus I plus j plus k, and the ratio is given 2:1. It divide this line number 1 internally and number 2 that is externally. Earlier I have told you, students, how we will find out. Let us come with the solution of the first one. How we will find out? I have told you the formula, the R vector that is equal to that is in the formula I have told. Here what you will see, students, this the formula is there, that is r vector that is equal to m multiplied by q vector plus n multiplied by p vector upon m plus n. My mean to say here, what you will say, 2 into minus I plus j plus k, and what is n? N is 1 here, 1 into I plus 2j minus k upon m plus n, means 2 plus 1, right? On solving it, what you will get? You will get 1 by 3 I cap plus 4 by 3 j cap plus 1 by 3 k cap. So this is the way, students. With the same way, we can find out the solution while it divide the line externally. In that case, what will be there, students? Here will be the minus sign. Here is also m minus n. So we will solve it in such a way, m q vector minus n p vector upon m minus n, and your answer will come. In the rest of the question in this exercise are same, students. So try to solve those questions yourself.